In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Gmail to New Outlook. Adding your Gmail account to the new version of Microsoft Outlook is a great way to manage all your emails in one place. It allows you to access your Gmail inbox, send messages, and stay organized without switching between different apps or browsers. To begin, open the new Microsoft Outlook application on your computer. Once it loads, you will see your main email dashboard. From here, look for the option to add a new account. This is usually displayed when you first open the app, or it can be found within the Settings or Account Management section. Select the option to add an account, and then enter your Gmail email address carefully. After entering it, proceed to the next step. Outlook will automatically try to detect the correct settings for your account, so in most cases, you will not need to manually configure anything. Next, a Google sign-in window will appear. This is where you securely log into your Gmail account. Enter your credentials and continue following the on-screen instructions. You may also be asked to allow Outlook permission to access your Gmail account. Make sure to approve these permissions so the setup can continue successfully. Once you have signed in and granted access, Outlook will begin syncing your Gmail data. This includes your inbox, sent items, and folders. The process may take a few moments, depending on the size of your mailbox and your internet speed. After synchronization is complete, your Gmail account will appear inside Outlook alongside any other connected accounts. You can now switch between accounts easily, send and receive emails, and manage everything from a single interface. If your emails do not appear immediately, allow a short time for syncing or refresh the application. This helps ensure that all messages are properly loaded and displayed. And that's it. You have successfully added Gmail to the new Outlook and can now manage your email more efficiently in one place. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell